Okay, here's Vegas at night from our room. It's very colorful. See the MGM Grand glowing green in the background. And there's the ballets there. And that beige building in the background is the Paris Hotel where we just had dinner tonight. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it, but any minute now the show for the Bellagio fountain show should go off. I got shots of it earlier from the hotel. You see just how colorful everything is. It's about 5 a.m. your time, about 2 a.m. our time. Just about ready to go to bed. I wanted to shoot this and see just how colorful it is at night. Looks really cool. Look at that. Well, you can't see it, but that's our pool.
You can talk a little louder.
That's our pool. I can see there's two people in the jacuzzi down there. They have a jacuzzi. We haven't been down there. We've got to do that tomorrow.
Okay.
At some point.
Stop filming and go to bed.
Shh. There goes the monorail again. But there's Vegas from our room.